Here's the stand. My dog's been using it now, I'd say for about 2 weeks. When I first got it, he couldn't figure out how to use it. And the first day I came home, he actually hadn't drank any water out of it. So he wasn't sure, but he's gotten very used to it now, and I like it because it's the right height. If you notice, it's got the buttons here. They do come in and out. They are plastic, but I'm not adjusting it a lot, and they seem pretty secure. This is the height they got it at. It does hold the food really well. This is his food bowl. I can get it in and out very easily. The strange thing is the water bowl, I can't get out as easily. So I have learned I either have to press up from the bottom, or I just use a cup, actually is what I'm doing, and putting water in. It looks like he's a little low. So overall though, I'm very happy with it, especially for the price. It was a really good price. And they fit in from down here. So that's what they look like.
Because we've got a big girl, right? She's a big kid, so we went with a pretty tall setting, but we think it's absolutely fabulous. It's great. I actually don't use this for her water. I just use it for her feeder. So I rotate them out, and I will wash one while one is being used, and it just gets it off the ground. And now she doesn't have to chase her food around. So Freya's an 80-pound Rottweiler. Freya, stop eating rude things. Freya, come. And she is pretty tall. She's about 24 inches tall. And so she is able to reach this perfectly. It's just at the right height for her. And we really, really like just the structure of this. It's very tough. We feed her outside, and it's lasted quite a while. We've had it for over a year now. So it's been great.
It would help if there were little grooves here to take the bowls out. Otherwise, if you have fingernails, you could put it under, or you have to push under. So if there was a little groove or something to help you lift it, that would be so much better. But otherwise, no complaints.
I can say my Zena's very happy with it. This is a little birthday gift for her. She deserves it. She's a tall dog, an American Akita, and this is perfect for her. So definitely recommend. Easy to put together. Well, it's already together, but easy to change the height. So yeah, lovely.
Come up for air, buddy.
I've read about it, so who knows? But I also wonder how that will translate to the water, because we get quick looks at dolphins, sharks. We've seen sharks in Grand Theft Auto games before, but with the dolphins and stuff, like, can we pet them? Can we swim with them? Will they follow our boats? I'd love to see cool little interactions like that. Now, another big comparison is traffic.
boy.